Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday Real English from Real Life podcast.
Welcome to Real English Podcast.
And hello, everyone.
I'm Brendy.
And I'm Annie.
Today we're doing a deep dive into sports English.
Right. We want to give you some really useful phrases, not just for sports talk, but, for everyday chats, too.
Exactly. And even for work sometimes. These phrases pop up everywhere.
They really do. So our goal is to help you sound natural, like you're really part of the conversation.
Okay, but before we really jump in, just a quick reminder.
Oh, yeah. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends for the Real English podcast.
It really helps us out. Thanks.
Okay, so where should we start? Maybe with the basics.
Yeah, let's start with something that trips people up a bit. The verbs we use for sports.
Ah, good idea. Like when you say play or go or do, it can be confusing.
It can. But there's a pattern. Let's break down these big three verbs.
Okay.
So first up is play. We generally use play for team sports.
Right. Things usually involving a ball or like direct competition with rules. So you play soccer, play basketball, play baseball, play tennis. Think about the game, the match, the team.
Got it. Play, teams, balls, games.
Then there's go. This one's often easier to remember.
How so?
We usually use go with activities ending in ing, often things you do more individually.
Okay. Like go swimming.
Perfect. Or go running, go skiing. You don't really play swimming, right? You go swimming.
Makes sense. Go with the ing activities.
And the last one is do. This is often for other kinds of activities, maybe things you do at a gym or martial arts.
So like not usually team stuff.
Yeah, generally. You do gymnastics, do cardio, do aerobics, do judo.
Okay, that clears things up a lot.
Yeah.
Play for teams and ball games,
Yeah.
go for ing activities, and do for gym or individual practice stuff.
That's the main idea. Knowing that helps you sound much more natural right away.
Cool. Now, maybe some key action words, verbs we use during a game.
Good idea. And maybe you listening can try saying these words out loud with us. Practice the sounds.
Okay, so a really important one is score, like getting points.
Right. You'd hear someone shout, "He scored a goal!" Or maybe, "She scored 10 points."
And then the result. You either win or you lose. We won the game. Or, sadly, they lost the match.
And what about the fans? What do they do?
They cheer. The crowd is cheering loudly. Lots of noise and support.
Okay, score, win, lose, cheer. Got it. What about the people involved? Besides the player, obviously.
Well, you have the coach.
Yeah.
That's the person who trains the team, decides the strategy.
And the person who makes sure everyone follows the rules.
That's the referee. Or sometimes called an umpire in sports like baseball or tennis. They manage the game or match.
Right. Player, coach, referee. Game, match, team. Good basic nouns.
Mm-hmm. Those cover a lot.
Okay, let's move into like real life situations. How do you actually use this stuff in a conversation?
Yeah, like starting a conversation. Sports are a really common way to break the ice, you know?
Definitely. So what's a simple way to start?
The easiest way is just to ask, what's your favorite sport?
Simple, direct. I like it. Yeah, it's friendly, low pressure. Anyone can answer that.
And how might you answer?
Keep it simple, too. You could say, I like watching basketball. Or maybe, I enjoy playing tennis.
What if you're really passionate about it?
Then you can add some enthusiasm. Oh, I'm a huge fan of baseball. Using words like huge or really love shows strong interest.
Okay, so asking about favorites is a good start. What about if you're actually watching a game with someone?
Ah, right. That has its own phrases. You need to show you're engaged.
Like asking who they support.
Exactly. You'd ask, who are you cheering for? That's a really common question.
I've also heard, who do you root for? Is that the same?
It is, basically. Root for means the same as cheer for, to support a team.
But maybe a bit different.
Yeah, root for is maybe a little more informal, and you hear it a lot in North America. Cheer for is probably understood everywhere.
Good tip. Stick with cheer for to be safe internationally.
Probably a good idea, yeah.
And talking about the score, that's essential during a game.
It is. And here's a small but important point about how we say it.
Okay.
We use the word to between the numbers, not versus or and when you're just stating the score casually.
Oh, right. So if it's 3-1, you'd say the score is 3-1.
Or maybe in American football, like 28-14.
You'd say the score is 28-14, just use 2. Easy.
Got it. Score is X to Y.
Mm-hmm. And when something exciting happens, a great play.
You need quick reactions, like short, energetic phrases.
Yes. If someone scores an amazing goal in soccer, you might yell, "That was a great goal."
Or in basketball, if someone makes a difficult shot.
Nice shot. That's a classic. Works in lots of sports.
What about defense? Like if the goalkeeper stops the ball.
You could shout, "What a save!"
Yeah.
It shows appreciation for stopping the other team from scoring.
Using those short, strong phrases definitely makes you sound more into the game.
Totally. It shows you're sharing the excitement.
Okay, what if you actually want to play a sport, not just watch? How do you invite someone?
Keep it simple again. Do you want to play soccer this weekend? Or suggest practicing together.
Yeah, like, let's practice after school, or want to hit some tennis balls later.
And if you're playing and your friend does something good,
You gotta praise them. Use that same phrase. Nice shot. It works perfectly for playing, too. It's encouraging.
good point. And what if you're invited but you? Well, you prefer watching.
That's totally fine. Lots of people do. You can just say something like, oh, thanks, but honestly, I like to watch more than play. Polite and clear.
Okay, that covers a lot of common situations.
Yeah, those phrases should help you navigate most basic sports talk.
So maybe we could try putting some of these together, like a quick role play.
Sure. Let's imagine we're at a basketball game. It's exciting, near the end.
Okay, I'll start. Wow, it's close. Who's winning right now? I can't quite see the scoreboard.
Looks like the Tigers are just ahead. Yeah, the score is 65-60. Really tight.
Wow. Look at that. Did you see that shot? That was an amazing three-point shot. They really needed that.
Yeah, totally. And listen to the crowd. They're cheering so loudly. The whole place is shaking.
We must be getting near the end, like the final minute or something.
Definitely. They are really in the home stretch now. Every second counts.
Ah, the home stretch. That's a great phrase. It means the very end part, right?
Exactly. The final stage of something, a game, a race.
Or even other things, not just sports.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It originally comes from horse racing, that final part of the track before the finish line.
Interesting.
But we use it all the time. Like at work, if you're finishing a big project, you might say, okay, team, we're in the home stretch.
It signals the end is near, time for a final push.
Precisely. And that's a perfect example of how sports language moves into other areas of life.
Yeah, that connection is really interesting. Let's talk more about that, like the cultural side.
Okay. Well, especially thinking about the U.S., sports are just huge. They're deeply woven into the culture.
Particularly in schools, right?
Oh, definitely. From middle school, high school, sports teams are a very big deal. Football, basketball, baseball, massive.
So students get involved early.
Yeah, lots of kids join school teams. It teaches competition, teamwork, discipline, all that stuff.
And the parents.
Super involved. They go to the games, cheer from the sidelines. It's a whole family and community thing.
So because sports are such a big part of everyday life,
The language naturally spills over into daily conversation and especially into the workplace, into business.
right. So knowing these sports idioms can actually help you understand business talk better.
Immensely. It helps you understand the shorthand, the metaphors everyone uses. Let's look at a few key ones.
Okay, what's a common one?
How about game plan? In sports, that's your strategy to win.
Yeah, wow, how the team is going to play.
Well, in business, if your boss says, we need a solid game plan for this product launch, what do they mean?
They just mean we need a strategy, a plan of action.
Exactly. It's just a common, quick way to say strategy.
Okay, game plan and strategy. What else?
How about being called a team player?
That sounds positive.
It is. It's a big compliment. It means you work well with others, you collaborate, you put the group's goals first.
So companies look for team players when they hire.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a really valued quality in most workplaces, someone who isn't just focused on themselves.
Makes sense. Okay, what's another one? Maybe one with a clear sports image.
Oh, I've got a great one from tennis. The ball is in your court.
I could picture that. The ball comes over the net to your side.
And it's your turn. You have to act. You have to hit it back.
So if someone says that in a meeting, the ball is in your court now, they're saying it's your responsibility to take the next step. Or it's your turn to make a decision. It clearly passes the responsibility.
That's a really useful one. Very clear meaning.
And one more, maybe about giving up.
Is there a sports phrase for that?
There is, from boxing, to throw in the towel.
Throw in the towel. Where does that come from? In boxing, if a fighter is getting badly beaten or injured, their coach, their corner man, would literally throw a towel into the ring.
As a signal.
Yeah, a signal to the referee to stop the fight. It meant they were surrendering, giving up.
So now, if someone says they're going to throw in the towel on a difficult project,
It means they're thinking about quitting, giving up, because it's too hard.
and you might tell a friend who's struggling, don't throw in the towel.
Exactly. Keep going. Don't give up.
Wow. So game plan, team player, ball in your court, throw in the towel. These are really common.
Super common. And you can see how knowing the sports connection helps you understand and use them correctly. It's not just about watching games.
It's about understanding a whole layer of communication, especially in business settings.
Precisely.
Okay, this has been really helpful. Maybe we should quickly recap the absolute must-know phrases for everyday sports talk.
Good idea. Let's highlight maybe 5 key ones we covered. Try saying them again with us.
Okay, first, the essential conversation starter.
What's your favorite sport?
Then, how to state the score correctly.
The score is 2-1, or whatever the numbers are.
An easy way to invite someone to play.
Do you want to play this weekend?
A great compliment during a game or when playing.
Nice shot.
And asking about support for team.
Who are you cheering for?
Perfect. Just knowing those 5 gives you a great starting point.
Absolutely. You've got the basics covered now. You understand the verbs, how to chat about games, and even some of the deeper cultural stuff.
So the main thing now is practice.
Always. Think of learning English like a sport itself. You need consistent practice.
Like training for a team.
Yeah, or running a marathon. A little bit every day makes a huge difference over time. Every new phrase you use is like scoring a point.
Good analogy. So keep practicing, everyone. Try using these phrases.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast. Help other learners score some points too.
Definitely. Thanks so much for tuning in.
Thanks for listening to the Real English Podcast. See you next time.
Want to practice these phrases? Download your free PDF guide to review vocabulary, role plays, and quizzes. Find the link in the description and pinned comment, and feel free to share it with friends.
Like and subscribe for more English tips.